Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a little haul video. So I got my tax money and I bought myself a computer, and then also I kind of wanted to buy some scrapbooking goodies because it's been a long time since I've actually bought like a collection or anything really goodie wise. I do get my scrapbooking store kit every month, which is nice, but this was like all my choice. So Shimelle came out with her main character energy collection, and if you know anything about me, you know I love bold colors and patterns, and I just absolutely had to have it. So I am so stinking excited. Okay, I was gonna try to pull this apart so I could show you guys what this looks like, maybe if it will come off. Yay. Okay, so I ordered this from Sandy Reversky's shop, which she is known as State Goddess here on YouTube, or Scrapping Reflections is the name of her store. She sells a lot of like collections and things from the industry, but then she also makes stencils and wood veneer and stuff like that, and she cuts them out. And I absolutely love her shop. I have quite a few of her stencils, but this time around I just bought Shimelle main character energy, and I'm so over the moon excited. So I decided to get the 6x8 paper pad. Oh my god, guys, I absolutely love rainbows. They're my favorite thing right now. And then look at that, that's so pretty. I didn't order every single one of these papers, and so it is kind of nice to get the 6x8 pad, because then I get every single piece of paper. I love this paper. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. Yay, I'm so beyond excited. And then I love like these little tags and things. It's so fun. Okay, and then it goes back over. So you get two of each of these designs. So that's fun. I wasn't sure if it was going to give one or two of the designs. Oh, that's cute. Celebrate. That is super pretty. So it looks like a couple designs. Yeah, so you get two of each of those papers. So that's fun. Then, of course, I had to get all of the like ephemera type goodies. So I got the puffy stickers, and these are just so cute and happy. I am so excited about this. Then I also got the enamel stickers. So these are hearts and just regular dots and diamonds. And then I also got the embellishments. So the wood embellishments, and then the gems and more enamel dots. So yay, I'm excited. And then, oh my god, can you see this? It's purple. Yep, it's purple. So this is American Craft Thickers, and this is Glitter Foam Purple Main Character is the name of this purple alpha. And I was just standing here and I was like, oh my god, I only got one of these. I only got one. How did I only get one? Like, I know myself. I'm gonna use this alpha up. And I totally should have gotten 2 or 3 of these. So I might be going back onto Sandy's website and ordering just this. I don't remember if she had the ephemera. I want to say she did have the ephemera, but for some reason I did not purchase it. So maybe I'll go back on and purchase the ephemera too. This is an early birthday present for me because my birthday is on April 29th, and this month I'm celebrating my 10 years on YouTube as well as my 41st birthday. And so this is like my birthday present to myself because I got my taxes. So, okay, so these are the stickers from Shimelle Main Character Energy. I need to get better lighting. That's also something that I need to do. I want to get a couple of big soft boxes. So these are super duper cute. I'm so excited. I don't even remember buying this, but that's okay. It works. Okay, now on to the papers. And there are a ton of papers. Oh my God, people. Like, I am so just excited. I got at least 2 or 3. Some of them I got one of, but I think I'm going to, let's see. So I got 3 of this blue paper. And on this side, it's my favorite. Oh my God, I absolutely love this pattern. This is called No Troubles. If it'll focus. I don't know if it will focus. I did turn my focus back on, but it doesn't want to focus. It wants to focus over here. So this one is called No Troubles, and I think I definitely am going to use all 3 of them for this side of the paper. Okay, then I got, oh, I'm mixing things up here. Maybe I should turn all of these over the right way. Maybe I'll do that. Okay. And it looks like I got some Vicki Boutin too, maybe. I forgot about that. Okay. Okay, so I did get some Vicki Boutin, but I'm going to leave her for last because I'm so excited about Shimelle. It looks like I might have gotten like 3 of each of the Vicki Boutin papers. Whoops, I must have gotten Click Happy because I did not mean to do that. Okay, so this is Main Character Energy still. This paper is called Look Up. Super nice and simple. I love it. Then this one is called Sing Out. I love any type of floral pattern. Oh my God, so cute. This one is going to be hard. I don't know why I only got one of these, but I did. This one is called Prop Table. That's a pretty blue, and then it's got like a yellowish diagonal cross pattern there. And this one is Line Leader. I honestly, guys, I thought I gotten 2 of these. So I must have gone a little bit crazy because I swear I got 2 of these. So anyway, this one's called Line Leader. That's a pretty green on the back. I like both of those sides. This one is called Fly High. I love butterflies. Love butterflies. Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. Why did I not get 2 of this paper either? Because I could totally cut these out and fussy cut them. Okay, I'm gonna have to definitely go make another purchase because oh my God, I love these. Okay, then this one is called Ensemble Cast. I love this. Love that. It's just all so pretty. Ooh, and then it's got little like 3x3 squares. I like that too. Okay, then I got one of Blue Skies. Oh, that is so pretty. I love all the bright colors. Seriously, how many times can I say so pretty in one video? Oh my God. This is a nice hot pink. And then rainbow, of course. Oh my God. Shimelle is like my favorite person at the moment right now. I got 2 of these ones. So this is one of a kind. So we have just the plain background. And then we've also got the cut aparts. Then I did get two of these. I swear I got 3 of these, but you know, again, I'm going crazy. Starring roll. I love this. Aw, and it's a pretty heart. That's so pretty. I love that pink. Then we have center stage is this floral. And one of them, I could totally fussy cut out the florals. Oh, but it has a purple background, so I probably will just use the purple background, if I'm being honest, because purple backgrounds in the scrapbooking community are hard to come by. So I don't know why, but we just don't print a lot of purple. And I love that this collection does. So this one is called Bright Future. I got 2 of these. Oh, that's a pretty, pretty pink. And then behind the scenes, a cut apart, I got 2 of these. Ooh, pretty. I love this. Oh my God. This is amazing, you guys. Like, seriously. Oh, I have not been so excited about a collection in a very long time. Ooh, this one's really pretty. So we've got 2 of this one. This one's called After Hours. And then this one is called Right on Target. I think I got 3 of these. Yep. And that's the last Shimelle paper that I got, was this one. And this one, I absolutely love the backside. So I probably will use the backside, at least 2 of them with the backside, and then maybe just 1 of them with the other one. Okay, then now I did get some Vicki Boutin. So this one is Storyteller. I really loved this purplish maroon color. It was so pretty. And then these flowers, I can't even with these flowers. Like, they are the perfect fussy cutting flowers. Aren't those so gorgeous? What kind of flowers are these? Are these mums? I don't know. I'm not a very good like flower person. I don't know the names of flowers. This one's called Fresh Cut from Storyteller, and then this one is called Assemblage from Storyteller. This one is also another really pretty floral. This one's called Flourish. Ooh, I do like that background. But I thought this would be really pretty too to fussy cut. We'll have to see what I decide to do with that. And then another Storyteller. This one's called Wild Child, and I went crazy and bought 3 of these because, you know, I just really needed to. And then this one is called Medley, and I bought 2 of these, and that is it. I am so in love with all of this. I cannot wait to scrapbook with the main character energy collection. And I am going to go over and check out Sandy's website again and see if she has any of the ephemera. The nice part is like I said, I could just fussy cut a bunch of these out because it's such a big print. This would be perfect to make my own ephemera with. And then also all of the cut apart sheets. This one would be good to fussy cut. And then maybe I already passed. Oh, there they are. And then this would be good to make my own embellishments with too. Ooh, and I love that on this, the 6x8 pad, it's like gold inlaid in there. Because on this piece of paper, it's not the gold, but I love it on here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're enjoying seeing my videos every day on YouTube. I am going to try and see if I can do it every single day for the rest of the month. I have a lot of ideas and a lot of things that I want to accomplish, so I'm really hoping I can keep up with it. let me know if you like the Shimelle collection, the new one, what you think of it, if you got some of it or if you didn't. But I hope that you all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!